أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما هلك. Welcome back to the channel, family. I hope each and every one of you is doing wonderfully well. In today's video, we are making the perfect and authentic Toolo beef recipe. This recipe is packed with flavors and everyone can make it. With this recipe, you need a beef and some salt, which I use the Himalayan salt, and I also use some sea salt as well. I'm gonna use some chopped up onion. I've got some rosemary, some bay leaf, some aneese. I've got some clove and some star anise as well. I've got some garlic. This will ensure that you get a flavorful Toolo beef. And with the herbs and spice, it depends on you. You just add and omit anything that you want in your recipe. So with the beef too, you can use any part of the beef that you prefer. You can use the grill part or you can use the fatty part. It's all up to you. Then I went ahead to chop it into the sizes that I'm looking for. I'll be using this beef to make some soup and some other recipes, so I'm just cutting it according to the sizes that I will need in my recipe, if that makes sense. And it's up to you, as I always say, you add and omit anything. After that, I went ahead to wash it very well. Then I added it into my bowl. So with the bowl, you have to use an airtight container. Then I went ahead to add all my herbs and spice, added enough salt and the onions. If you are new or a returning viewer, kindly subscribe and be part of this amazing family. One good thing about making your own beef is you are able to add and remove anything from what you want. As I mentioned earlier, you can play with all the seasoning and you get the best Toolo beef as possible. Like, I normally don't like the one that is sold outside because it has some coloring to it. So yeah, salt is an important ingredient in this recipe as it will help to extract all the juices and blood from the beef. So yeah, after adding everything, I will cover it with some foil if that's you have, and then I will just put it in a cool and dark place. I cured mine for 5 days, so I came back to check it up after 3 days, and then I will go ahead to add some more salt and then cover it for the last day. So it's been 3 days now, and as you can see, it has extracted so much blood from the meat. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead to take all the beef from it, and then I'll add some more salt, then cover it out, and then yeah. And with the salt, since you are making it at home, you can adjust into the consistency that you like. If you want it too salty, then you will have to add some more. I didn't want it too salty, so yeah. This is after the first 3 days. As you can see, we still have some blood in it, so we're gonna go ahead to add some more salt to help with the curing process. This smells so good. So over here, I went ahead to add some more salt, and as I mentioned earlier, I didn't want so much salt in it, so this will be the last salt that I'll be adding. And mind you, you can use any salt of your choice. You can use the gravel salt type of salt. You can use any salt that is available for you. So I ended up like opening it on the 6th day because I didn't want to add some more salt to it, and this is the final product. As you can see, we didn't even have as much blood under it, and it looks so good, smells so good. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Comment down below if you're gonna try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. If you are a new subscriber or a returning viewer, kindly subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next one, stay safe and be blessed. Just like that, we made our homemade Toolo Beefy, which is very clean. This is very flavorful and smells so good. You can use it in any of your stews and soups, stir fry, you name it. Thank you so much. Bye.